Introducing the Milwaukee M12 FUEL 13 and 18-inch Bandfiles. The Milwaukee Bandfiles offer best-in-class spot weld removal, allowing you to get the job done quicker without the hassle of pneumatic hoses, compressors, or power cords.
The first couple uses of it, I was really impressed because it made me not even want to get my air tool out of the drawer. The convenience of using it is just amazing because I don't need to drag an air hose all over the place.
I think it's just as compatible as pneumatic without the inconvenience of an air hose. It's quick, you grab it out of your toolbox and you go to work.
Keep a clean, consistent finish with this high-speed, powerful Bandfile, giving you faster removal without flat spots on your material.
I do a lot of work on round, so we'll weld the frame together, weld the railing together. We have a large weld, and then I'll get this out and finish it so that I have a nice, smooth finish.
These FUEL Bandfiles feature an ergonomic design, allowing for maximum maneuverability, control, and safety.
It won't jerk you around while you're trying to feather in a weld or whatever you're doing.
Change directions from forward to reverse and adjust belt speed, all in one user-friendly interface at the tip of your fingers. Experience greater access to tight spaces and less frustration with the M12 FUEL Bandfile's low-profile design and easy-to-operate toolless belt angle adjustment.
It's going to speed up the process a lot more and make me more money.
The Milwaukee M12 FUEL 13-inch and 18-inch Bandfiles.